Everybody has them, everybody needs them, but when one of them goes bad, what do you do? Today, we're talking tires on Talking Shop with Shop Owner. Hi again, everybody. I'm Doug Kaufman. I'm editor of Shop Owner Magazine. You know, tires are one of those things that is on every vehicle. Doesn't matter if it's a truck, if it's a car, your vehicle has tires. You're selling tires, you're installing tires, you're replacing tires. What happens if you have a problem with just one of them? Today, we're pleased to have Shiloh Ray from Champ Tires with us. Champ Tires is one of the largest retailers of used, tested, and inspected tires to the independent and dealer repair market. Shiloh, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for joining us today. Let's talk about your career path in the automotive industry. How did you get to where Champ Tires is today?
My background is in PR and marketing, and my husband started Champ Tires in 2009 as a startup. And the business was growing, and he needed to really focus on building awareness of the company and how used tires can be a safe and effective way for a lot of people to save money. And so when we were looking at how we were going to build that out, it kind of just made sense for a person with my background and skills to just join the company, which is something I cared about tremendously anyway, and was kind of alongside him since day one. And so it kind of just took off from there.
And what's his background in the automotive industry?
Brad's background is in the waste management industry, and he saw a huge potential for really good tires with significant tread life left on them to be reused and resold to repair shops, shop owners, consumers, and so that's how he started the business.
You used the word good used tires. What's the difference between the used tires that Champ Tires provides and the tires that you may see along the side of the road, tires for sale, $12 or whatever?
So there's definitely a stigma around used tires, which we are, working to hopefully change. These used tires, they're brand name premium used tires. These are Bridgestones, Michelins, Pirellis, Continentals that we are acquiring from different methods, and they have significant tread life left on them. 90% of our inventory has 70% tread or better. We have 40,000 used tires in our warehouse that's kept, it's in a warehouse. They're not on the side of the road. These are premium brand named used tires that are being taken care of in a warehouse facility. They're a great way for people to save a lot of money.
Sure. You say they're good tires. They may look good from the outside. How do you know that?
Okay, so every tire that enters one of our warehouse facilities goes through a thorough 3-step inspection process. First, there's a visual test. Is there a nail sticking out? Is there a slice in the tread or in the sidewall? And then they're air tested. We put soapy water on them to make sure there aren't any holes, and then they're put away in our warehouse, and then we do another visual inspection, sometimes another air testing before they ship out and leave. Okay. So, we're putting a lot of time and effort into making sure that these are quality tires that will last the rest of the lifespan for the tire.
How about maintaining in your warehouse? How do you know when there's 40,000 tires in a warehouse? How do you track those?
So we have a software system that just, tracks everything from the second the tire enters our facility until it's sold.
Okay. So then when a dealer or an independent facility needs a tire, they can tell you what they're looking for, and you can track that down?
So it's actually even simpler than that. They can go to our website at champtires.com, and you can just search our inventory. Start with the size, and then you can filter down if you're looking for a specific brand, if you're looking for a specific tread depth in a certain price range, and then you can really just start to find what you're looking for and what you need, and just add it to your cart, and then free shipping's included on every order.
Okay. If they're looking for, they've got a customer who has a bad tire. They had a blowout.
Right.
They need to replace that one. Is that an option?
Absolutely. I mean, if you need to replace one tire, two tires, or a whole set, all you need to do is just come search our inventory and find exactly what you need. So let's say you get a flat tire. All you need to do is really know what kind of tire it is. You just look at the sidewall and then measure the tread depth and hop onto our website and we'll have a match for you.
So economically, it can be a benefit to both shops and consumers.
Absolutely. Buying a used tire, you can save up to 80% off of what the cost of one new tire would be. And so let's say in the case of needing one tire again, a lot of times, depending on how worn down the three remaining tires are on the vehicle, it might not, if you're going to put a new tire on, they might want you to replace all four so that the tread difference isn't too great. Well, if you use a used tire that's at the exact same tread depth as the remaining three tires on your car, then, I mean, it's like nothing happened.
Sure. What are the kinds of things that would prohibit a tire from being put into your system for use?
So if there's any sidewall damage, if there's a slash in the sidewall, if there is a nail in the sidewall, any sidewall damage, we will repair. And we'll do it ourselves. We use a plug patch combination that will, to the tread area of the tire, if there needs to be any type of repair to that area. But we're not looking to do anything unsafe with these tires. We are following industry standard best practices in really everything that we do.
Got it. You mentioned your husband's background in the waste industry. Tires are a huge environmental issue.
Right.
How does what you're doing impact that?
So when you use a used tire instead of a new tire, you're actually reusing a product. So, you're reducing your carbon footprint. A lot of attention right now is on electric vehicles and, people making the switch to electric vehicles to be more sustainable in the way that they're living. Well, used tires are another great way to do that because instead of just using something that's brand new, you're using something with maybe 80 or 90% use left in it, and then that tire is not ending up in a landfill.
Okay. So when it comes to passenger vehicles, is there a limit to the type of vehicle that you provide tires for? Could I get an all-season tire for my performance car? Could I get, what are the limits?
There's no limit. If it's a passenger vehicle that has been taken off of a car and sent to some type of distribution center, then we can sell it. We sell all seasons. We sell summer. We sell winter. We sell all kinds of every kind of tire imaginable.
How can shops make their customers aware of this option? As it being a cost saving, environmental saving. What is the best way that shops can really let their customers know?
I think one way is just by starting to have a conversation with them. So, asking them. I think a lot of times right now, things are really expensive. There could be problems accessing new tires. So if you need a new tire and you don't want to pay $850 per tire, a used tire is a premium used tire is a really good option. I think having a conversation and then maybe even showing them the tire and what it looks like. I mean, you're not going to be able to tell the difference whether it came from Champ Tires or it's on your car.
Okay. If our listeners want more information, how can they contact you? And are you, if they have takeoffs of their own, are they, do you deal with the local guy just selling tires, or how does that process work? So
we don't deal with taking in tires just from shops, but anyone that has any questions or any interest in Champ Tires can visit us at our website. We have contact information on there. We also have a business program at champtires.com/dealers where you can sign up and receive a discount off of every order, so you can save even more money off of our low prices, and free shipping is included on every order.
Explain a little bit about that dealer program.
Sure. So the way it works is if you're an automotive business, you can request an account. It goes through a pretty quick vetting process, and then we set you up with an account, and an automatic discount is applied during the checkout process on every order. So you don't need to remember a special code or anything like that. And so it's a great way to reward repeat business and build that relationship.
If they participate in that program, do they have to buy a minimum of X number of tires per month? Or?
No, there's no minimum. If you're a repair shop that doesn't do a ton of business in tires, you qualify for the account. Or if you're a repair shop that sells 100 tires a week, I mean, it's the same for everyone.
Sure, interesting. Okay. When did you start the business?
So the business was founded in 2009.
And what are the plans moving forward?
You know, we're just trying to keep telling people the benefits about used tires, and we're really excited that a lot of shops, a lot of consumers are really starting to see that this is like a really great, safe way to save a lot of money, reduce your carbon footprint, and get cars back on the road quickly.
Overcoming the stigma of used tires being junk.
Well, we like to say if you've ever bought a used car, you've most likely also bought used tires.
That's a great point. And this day and age, with the supply chain being what it is, used is not a bad deal.
No, it's not. It's actually a way to be more sustainable in how you live.
Great. Shiloh, thanks for joining us today on Talking Shop with Shop Owner, and good luck with everything. How can our listeners get a hold of you for more information?
champtires.com. We have a contact page on there.
Hey, thanks again, everybody. Thanks to Shiloh Ray from Champ Tires for joining us. For more information, as she said, champtires.com. Keep up the great work. We'll talk to you soon.